sponsored blogs, how to add a menu. Okay, so first thing I want to do is go to the area that I want to add my menu. I'm going to be working in the header, which is this space up here. So I'll come here. Let's go into our header. Now once we're here, we're going to choose where we want to place it, either in a new container or in a current box here. For now, I'm going to add it into a new box. Come here and go to our plugins, choose menus. And now the first thing that's going to show up is our preview screen. And this is where we can edit the basics of our menu, such as the position, whether it's horizontal or vertical. The font style here you can choose. And you can also work with your colors here as well and give your plugin a title, which is going to be menus or whatever you want it to be. And that's going to be for yourself. When you're done with that, you can press continue. Now I'm going to go into the items portion. And this is going to show me first where the position of my menu will be. So mine is going to be on the left hand side, so I choose left. And now I can start adding in my menu buttons. So the first one I'm going to name page 1, excuse me. And then we have to choose an item type, either a brand. This could be an external link or someone you're promoting. This could be a simple text here, or it could be a link to either an external or an internal page. All right, so first let's put in a brand. Actually, we're going to do a link first. And that link is going to be to a page. Now we can add an icon here. And let's just choose whatever one here. And then we choose our link. My link is going to be home. All right. And then you choose where you're going to open that link. This link will open in the same window or tab. You can choose the other as well. All right. Then you add here. And then as soon as you add, you'll see your preview up top. Now you come directly back to the title and type in your second button. So this will be page 2. This one I want to make a brand, and I'm going to write in a link here, and it's going to be Google, for example. All right, and if we want, we can add an image. Okay, and I'll leave that blank here. Now add here. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add another page like so. And this one is going to be to an, we're going to do this with a picture, okay? Let's go back here. We'll keep it at brand. Let's keep it at, we can keep it at Google as well. Actually do, say your picture. Okay, then we add an image and we can come here to plus. And once we do that, it's going to pull up the box that shows all of the images that we've uploaded to the server already. All right, so if you haven't uploaded any, you can go ahead and upload here, or it's going to pull up the ones that you already have. All right, so here we go. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this call to action template that I created, double click, and that's how we add that image in. And once we do that, we can see the preview here, and then we can add. And then it's going to show up here the small version. And another thing we can do is add just a simple text. So let's put here what we're going to put on our text. For example, we'll put text only. Go to the item type and put text. And simply that, you add, and then it shows up here. All right, so after we've done all this, we added all our pages, all of our buttons on our menu. Then we can go to the list items tab. And here's where you can position the buttons on your menu. All right, so right now everything's on the left hand side. What I'm going to do is put my page 3 here on the right hand side, and that's going to be my picture. And I'm also going to put my text on the right hand side as well. Just do text only and place that here. Now another thing that we can do is add a sub menu, and I'm going to go back and create one more title here. Let's go page 4. Make a link, or make another brand. www.yahoo.com. Okay, add that here. And now I'm going to come to my list items, and I'm going to place page number 2 as a sub menu. So what I do here is I grab it and I place it slightly below this line here, and I just come up a little bit on the page, and that's going to create a sub menu for me. And then you'll see we have a drop down box up here for you. All right, so once we have this how we want, we can press continue and save. And once we do that, we can see our menu up here. All right, so now because we have it in this container and it's divided a little differently than maybe we want it, I'm going to add a new container here. All right, so once I do that, I'll come here and I'm going to use 100% on my column. And then I can simply drag my new menu down here and save and see if that looks a little bit better. All right, so here we are. We have our menu here, my sub menu, I have my page 4, my text only, and then also my call to action. Now, as far as this purple here, if we don't like that, all we have to do is come here to edit. And once we edit, we can see our colors. Choose a different color here. So maybe you want this a little bit lighter. Press continue. And then press save again. And after you make a change in the blogs, you're going to press save and you'll be able to see them automatically. Now another thing that we can do is, you see how we have it over this container here? We want to make it its own space. So all we have to do is change the container's color. If we come into our settings, our background color is white, we can make this dark. And press OK here. And then we can also do the same thing for our content background. Go to General, go to the background, and then you can make this whatever color you want. OK here, and then press save. All right, so now you have a standalone container and everything's all black, all your colors are set and ready to go. And that is how you add and work with different menus in your blogs. Thank you, and I'll talk to you in another tutorial.